guys, welcome back. It's Shin here, and that's my dog barking. Dog barking. Okay, anyways, I just wanted to say a big thank you. If you guys have been noticing, I've been doing gotcha videos, long ones because I've been sick and I don't really want to talk. So, thank you, Crazy Bird Organization. She gave me, we go to school together. She gave me this Get Well Soon slime. It's so pretty and buttery. It's so amazing. Thank you so much. Go look for her. She's really awesome. And yeah. So there are my dogs running. So we'll see you guys next time. Please go watch those gotchas. Bye.